as y'all see on this episode today by the title, I'm going to be learning how to do the MANJIs. I'm watching YouTube videos to learn how to do it right now. I got homies that are really good at you know, doing MANJIs and drifting and stuff, and shouts out this guy, he's teaching me right now, so we're gonna put it to the test and see if I learn how to do anything. But yeah, if you guys still haven't hit the windshield wipers, you know what I mean, make sure you hit the likes, because we in the same boat for real. And yeah, we're gonna learn how to manji. Y'all stay tuned. Gotta go get gas. M4 still needs some repairs, but we gonna get theirs. You know what I'm saying? You see how the water all beads up on the car? That's why I don't be hitting the windshield wiper, bro. She gotta put a little 91. I don't get why gas so damn expensive, bro. We ain't even got the crazy gas out here. Only 91, bro. Why it cost so damn much? Crazy. If you have any tips, let them down into comments. I'm gonna read every single one of them. And I appreciate everybody leaving comments. It really helps me support and you know, encourages me to continue to make more videos. I know it's been a little while, but these are my favorite kind of videos when it's raining, so. All right, I couldn't wait. I got way too excited. Let's test out my first manji skills right here. Let's see how we looking. Second gear, second gear. All right. Y'all seen the first attempt. I definitely need to find out that I'm being second gear when doing the manjis. I kind of knew it. I just didn't want to shift into second gear. Manjis are meant to continue to drift straight while, you know, getting speed, I guess. So we're gonna practice. No, it ain't in the drift day if DPZ ain't in the building, man.
Oh, sliding in the beam.
Hey, today, bro, we gonna learn how to do the look.
Show me something, show me something.
Finna go pull off, man. We gonna motherfucking slide around and glide around, man. Y'all stay tuned. So y'all see my first attempt. This gonna be my first attempt right here. I told y'all I need to get into the second gear, so let's try that one out. Let's try out that second gear and disappear. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Better. That was better. That was better. Kind of got it. You have to let go of the gas a little bit. You gotta let go of the gas. Let's see. Oh, that's what it means. Shit, boy.
Got that rotation though.
Yeah, I tried to let off. I think I let off too much.
Too much to grab.
Yeah. How can I do it from a straight? Gotta go from this side.
I think you just gotta go straight and like count it, like kick it. I don't know how you're doing it though.
Oh. That's how they do it. That's how they do it. I'm getting used to it. You gotta let go of the gas.
You let it go a little too much. Like.
Nah, that's how you supposed to. That's how you supposed to. Man, I love playing music for y'all, bro, but that monetization isn't it, so. Oh. They gonna wait for me.
Mike.
All right, get out of here, bro. That was a fail.
Sorry, slow down. What is that right there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, what do you mean?
Regular little company, you know, doing his job.
So as y'all see, those mishaps do happen. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all prepared. Y'all know how to stay calm and slide out of there. You know what I'm saying? Literally. You know what I'm saying? You gotta slide out of there with the smoothness. I slid to third.
Let that nigga hit it.
money, papa. Get that money, papa. I'm gonna get a figure 8 going. I'm gonna get a figure 8.
You want me to get out?
Shit. She wanna look like from the outside, you know what I'm saying?
One of them right here.
Hey, you gonna learn how to drip? Hey, y'all, D gonna learn how to drip this shit
right
today.
now, bro.
You doing a donut, bro?
Burnt out, bro. Come on.
Nah, you at least doing one donut, bro.
Burnt out. Let's go.
At least one. All right, let me get the tires.
It's gonna be raining all night.
All right, bro. Hey, y'all gotta see it during the daytime though, while we still got a light going on. D gonna donut this bit. D gonna do it with the donut. This shit used to be a Walmart. We gonna show little bro.
I told him give it to the Lord. We go all at.
Hey, little bro for to learn how to do a little D Peasy donut.
What's today, man?
D Peasy was a little scary, so Martell asked to.
Scary, nigga.
Hey, D Peasy was scary for that one.
Scary, nigga. I really.
He just
Hey,
used to
I
it.
ain't want to show the man how to really try this motherfucker. You know what I mean?
All right. We go.
She kind of like.
You
I don't
scared?
want to like hit the things, you know.
That's why I told you. That's why your wheels cut all the way right here,
Alright.
and your wheels are gonna spin. So you're only gonna do a circle theoretically. So you're not gonna keep holding the gas. So go ahead.
So just hit the gas all the way.
Yeah, hit the gas.
Damn.
Hit the gas. Don't be scary.
All right.
Hit the gas. Hit the gas, nigga.
All right.
And I'll tell you. So there's be a thing. I'll be hitting the gas. Let go of the
like
gas.
Just punch it.
Yeah, and hold it down for a little second till we do a little fishtail. We're just gonna practice going like doing the 180.
All
But
right. Should I be more? All right.
no, bro. That's why I put you right here. You good? Go ahead. Floor it.
Why do you do that?
Cause you let go of the gas.
All right.
You gotta hold the gas until you. So get in the middle again so you don't hit nothing. Like right here is good. Stop. And then you're gonna hold it down. Hold the gas down until that shit spin. Go ahead.
All right.
Hit it. Keep hitting it. See, that was good practice. And then when you felt you start sliding, you feel like you start sliding a little bit. You good. Cut it. Then when you feel like you start sliding like that, then that's when you could kind of hit the gas again.
Like feather it.
Yeah, feather it.
All right. Right here again.
Yeah, try hit it right here. Go ahead. Look at the Lexus. He was learning. All right, go ahead, show him. All right, keep going.
Why do that?
This cause you is a cut. You gotta let go of the steering wheel too a little bit, and then it's gonna balance out itself.
Okay. All right.
That's called. It's gonna counter steer itself.
Here, let D get in here.
D gonna slide? You want D to do it now?
Yeah, I want to see what you do. He could probably do it.
D gonna do it.
Let me do it one time. Hold on.
Try to go this way now.
What? This way?
Yeah. Floor it. Ready? Floor it. And let go of the wheel.
We just spin it everywhere, nigga.
That's what I'm saying. That's how you gotta get used to. You gotta get used to braking traction.
Don't worry, I'm gonna let you floor my shit too.
He said, "Don't worry, I'll let you floor my
I'll
shit."
let you fuck my shit up too.
D, it's your turn. All right, what you rate that one, Barteezy? I'll
All
get.
right, come on.
You was able to break traction, so shit. It's D Peasy's turn, nigga. Hey, show him how to do a donut, D Peasy.
I gotta. How we do this? Put this bitch in drive.
Yeah, so you in manual mode, bro.
Hey, you tug that motherfucker, boy.
Yeah, you ain't scary. There we go. Yep. See, D know what he talk about. D know what he talk about.
Oh shit! Hold on.
Couple bars on him then.
Hey, when you want to go wider, you got to go into second or what?
Yeah, wider you could go second, or you could just start.
Oh yeah, because you want to shift, huh?
Yeah, you could shift,
about that.
but you was in a tight spot. I didn't want you to shift that.
Yeah.
So this is good, but you know.
Shit got me shaking this shit. What? All right.
All right, cool. Yeah.
Feather.
Now you on the gas. Flip the other way. Flip fucking pocket.
It's hard to tell, bro. I don't want to hit the red line at first, dude.
Nah, yeah, red line. It's kind of good, bro. Like it's 8,000 is still good. Like this car's pretty good for it. Maybe hey, if you feel it, you want to get some power underneath them boots, nigga, could shift it in the second gear.
Tap it down.
Tap it down. Boom.
All right, bro. I want to try rolling this.
Second gear is more like less throttle, like more throttle control. You need to be more precise with your throttle, but it's less power. It's just gonna carry you more speed type shit. Yeah, it's good. Try it out.
He says do it from the stop though.
Nah, you do it from rolling. Shit.
Which way easier? I feel like rolling is easier, bro. I don't know what.
Hit it.
Woo! Shit! All right, let me just see. I ain't
We
gonna-
sliding, guy, man.
Go burn your tires.
Hit it this way. Hit it this way. Go this way.
It's that fucking dead, nigga.
How you like keep the momentum? Like you keep going, like
Let me show y'all,
you gotta,
bro.
like just like
All
what?
right, one more game, bro. I just want to get a full.
Hit one full circle and tap it in the second gear, and you're gonna keep it on a big ass circle. Watch. I think you keeping it cut. You keep so going first gear. Yeah, let the wheel do its little thing correction, and then when you do once it did its full little once it got straight, once the wheel got straight, that's when you just turn it a little bit. You feel me?
All right, I'm finna fuck your shit out here.
Nah, nigga, do it one more time, cause you was right there with it. Just let the wheel go a little bit more.
The other way though. Shit. I'm getting used to that way, bro. I don't know. I'm not getting the feel for like when I should like correct it.
All right, I'm gonna tell you when to let go of the wheel.
It's like
Cause you good on the gas. You know how that works with the traction. All right, let go of the wheel. All right, correct it. Keep it going.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Ah!
There you go.
All right, bro. I ain't fucking your shit up, bro.
No, it's good for it.
Look at here.
All right,
I'll get out the car, record you.
I'm gonna show my niggas how to do this shit real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Good looking, Mike.
You good for it. It's good. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Go ahead, hop in, D. So first gear. This from the shop. Look, I'm gonna keep my wheels turned all the way, cut. I'll let go. I'll let go. And I'm just throttle. Look, I'm hardly touching our bit. That was a gas breaker. That was a gas brake dip.
Alright.
I'm gonna go second gear.
That's that big circle.
Uh-oh. Even from stop, second gear will go though. Look at the wheel though, like I'm hardly touching.
Yeah. Go wider, nigga.
All right, bet.
Damn, that's crazy.
Ooh.
though. You got it though. Got it.
That feel like a real
Got it, nigga. Got it, nigga. We on the speed bump with it.
Y'all over that motherfucker though.
All right, Mike.
Come on, shit, nigga.
All right, cool.
That was fun, bro. That was fun, bro. Woo, shit. You good with the little coming out the curves and shit, bro.
I kind of want to do the MANJIs though. Ugh. Yeah. I want to practice that. See? I think I could go like this. Wrap it. Nah, I know how to do it. I know how to control that. Let go of the gas. I'm starting to see what it's doing. When I let go of the gas, I kind of get it now.
Everybody's swearing now, like, hey,
Hey!
pull your shit, man.